In this video, I will show you how to get a Collaborator request code in Shopify. First, go to your Shopify admin and click on Settings from the left-hand side. Then open Users and Permissions. This section allows you to manage who can access your store. Scroll down until you find the Collaborators section. Here, you will see two options. The first option allows only people with a Collaborator request code to send a request. In this case, you can click on Generate New Code to create a new one-time code. You can share this code with the person you want to give access to, and they will use it to send a request. After that, you will review and approve their request before they can access your store. The second option allows anyone to send a Collaborator request without a code. Even then, they will not get access automatically, as you will still need to review and approve their request. This way, you can safely manage who gets access to your Shopify store.